Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start now, power the laptop off, unplug all cables, and remove an external battery if you can. This prevents shorts and lets you clean safely. Once done, use compressed air to blow loose debris from seams and vents, short bursts at an angle. Make sure to keep the screen partially open to access the pad edge. You use a microfiber cloth dampened just enough with 70% isopropyl. This dissolves oils without leaving water behind. Next, you tackle grime. Apply isopropyl to the cloth, not the pad, and wipe in controlled strokes. Follow the grain or texture to avoid abrasion. For edges and ports, use damp cotton swabs to lift oils. For stuck debris, a soft brush dislodges particles without scratching. Make sure to change swabs regularly so you're not spreading dirt. If the pad has fabric or special coatings, test a corner. This confirms compatibility before you treat the full surface. To finish, let the pad air dry completely, 10 to 20 minutes, so residual alcohol evaporates. You then buff with a dry microfiber cloth to restore texture and remove streaks. If marks persist, repeat gently with a fresh cloth. Do not press hard or use heat. If the touchpad becomes unresponsive after cleaning, make sure settings are enabled, reboot, and if still bad, carefully reseat the touchpad ribbon cable or consult a technician. That often fixes.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.